Well, hello there, and here's your quick tutorial on how to embed your Bitmoji Classroom into your Schoology page. So I have my Bitmoji Classroom already open here. All you need to do is go up to File, and then find where it says Publish to the Web. And then what you're going to do is find where it says Embed. And then you've got this nice code right here. So what you'll do is you'll just highlight the entire code and then copy it. And then I'm going to go over to Schoology, and I'm going to go under Add Materials and select Add Page. And then I need to give the page a title, so I'm just going to call this Bitmoji Classroom. And then what I'm going to do, I can put a description here or something before I actually paste it in. I'm going to paste it in first. So I'm going to go over to these two little dots, sometimes called the freckles, and I'm going to click the bottom one. It's going to switch me over to HTML. And that's where I'm going to paste in my code. And then I'm going to go back over to the visual version, so the top freckle. And it looks like it's already got it in there, so I'm not going to actually give a description. I'm just going to leave that alone. And then I'm going to click Create. And then what that is going to do, when I go down here to look at my Bitmoji Classroom page, now I have my interactive Bitmoji page already embedded. And the cool thing is, I have lots of different links on the different things in my classroom. So let's say I want my students to go to this metronome. This is an actual picture of the metronome from our band room at Grissom. I just click on that and it takes me to this digital online metronome, which is really cool. Or I also link, so this poster here, also in our actual band room, it says how to read your notes. I click on that and I link this to the Grissom Band and Choir website. And what I have down here is fingering charts for each instrument so the students can find where they're supposed to put their fingers for what note for each instrument. So that's super handy as well. And that's all you really need to do as far as embedding your Bitmoji Classroom into your Schoology page. It's nice and quick, super easy, and will not take you very long. And then it looks cool, and your students can interact with your page whenever they go on it.